It's for celebration. Go!
Celebrate good times, come on!
I love it. I love it.
Kajing kende shadam bar kajing shong shit bashirkai kalak klangding hapadeng ki samla ki belapoy na kelang kiri ke perthai ban wan Bynta ha ki Jingiakop World Championships of Performing Arts Wcopa arhajar arpun reu ha Las Vegas USA ha ka khan reu tarik naitung ha kini arsingi baladap lai training ya baro kinong ruai de kinong hikai batbet kari Amerika bat na ki wei pat kiri ke perthai kumju ki officer bakan sai na ki company ka put katem karwai ka siaw bat ka shar ka kemen kila snokti ban pasat jing start shikini ki samla ki belapoi shakani ka lumpung Yakop ruai usamla kit kupar no siege ubalara ya ka jingjop na ka Jingiakop ruai ka surkan ud season 3 marway hil ngong ula mi khmat ya ka ri India bat dikipaj ba ka jala Meghalaya uni usamla ula Bynta habaro ki training ha Las Vegas da ka jingkemen bat Pynkhreh mensim ban poi shaka thong ladu kini ki training kila pli jingkhang ya ukit kupar ban yakendo ban ya sam ki dustur ki riti ka akor ka buram hapadeng ki para samla ki bana ki wei pat kiri usamla kit kupar no siege ula pen I bat pen pau perthai la ka akor haba ula ai ka jing sngongu ya baro ki baladon kti ban sam ya ki jing start bat jing shampang hau ha kini ki arsngi balala ka kenhu na donbosco media network and television ka kitbok ka duai bat ka ai ka jing kershan ya usamla kit kupar no siege ban poi shika kenjang bahajrong tam ha kani ka lumpung Yakop ruai Wcopa ka donbosco media network and television kan jai budin ya baro ki program ka Wcopa hadu bandau wai ha ka arpuwei tarik unaitung
What in the world are we going to do? Look at what everybody's going through. What kind of world do you want it to be? Am I the future or the history?
Depends how it works, right? Yes. So it depends on how you're writing your song as to the tempo, the mood, the style, the instruments that you choose. Does that make sense? Now, if, like what I was saying, if you
like we were saying earlier, multiple hooks means that, you know, the bass line, the guitar riff, the keyboard riff, the lyrics, all these things can be hookish, but then you still have your main chorus hook, the repeating line that everyone knows.